Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. You're watching a review of the InTouch Health Telehealth platform, now part of Teladoc Health. Links to access the platform are available in the description below. InTouch Health provides a robust telehealth solution specifically designed for large-scale healthcare systems, hospitals, and clinics needing enterprise-level capabilities. Its primary aim is to broaden access to healthcare by facilitating connections between healthcare providers and patients across a diverse range of clinical scenarios. These scenarios encompass acute care, chronic condition management, and routine consultations. The platform's greatest strength resides in its scalability and adaptability. InTouch Health operates as a cloud-based system that seamlessly integrates with pre-existing workflows. Among its core telehealth features are high-definition video conferencing, secure data exchange mechanisms, and real-time patient monitoring, all of which contribute to effective communication between providers and patients. The platform supports a broad spectrum of devices, ranging from standard desktop computers and mobile devices to dedicated telehealth carts. This versatility allows for adaptation to diverse clinical settings and needs. A particularly noteworthy feature is its clinical-grade quality, specifically designed for critical use cases such as stroke care, intensive care unit, ICU, management, and time-sensitive emergency consultations. Providers can rely on consistent connectivity, even in environments with limited bandwidth, and utilize advanced tools like remote diagnostics and electronic stethoscope integration for outpatient and follow-up care. To enhance patient access and convenience, the platform streamlines appointment scheduling and provides patients with user-friendly access via secure links, minimizing common barriers to virtual care. Security and compliance are paramount for InTouch Health, which rigorously adheres to HIPAA standards, ensuring the protection of sensitive patient data. Furthermore, its robust analytics and reporting tools empower healthcare organizations to closely monitor performance metrics, track patient outcomes, and optimize resource allocation effectively. This platform is ideally suited for healthcare systems requiring a comprehensive, enterprise-grade telehealth solution. While it might not be the optimal choice for individual practitioners or smaller clinics, it excels in delivering scalable telehealth services for large networks and specialized care providers. If your healthcare organization seeks a reliable, secure, and feature-rich telehealth platform, InTouch Health is definitely worth exploring. Check out the links in the description below to delve deeper into its features and capabilities today.